In this short video, I'll show you how to do simple descriptive statistics on your data. Suppose you have some test scores that you want to do some descriptive statistics with Excel. You first start by adding add-ins. So you click on File, you go to Options. When you open Options, click on Add-ins. When you click on add-ins, scroll down and go to the bottom of the page where it says Manage Excel Add-ins and click Go. Then you choose the add-ins that you want to add. For me, I clicked all the add-ins available. Then you click OK. Once you do that, now you are ready to do your descriptive statistics. You go on the tab that says Data. Then go to data analysis on the extreme right. You click on data analysis. What you want to do is descriptive statistics. I click on descriptive statistics, then say OK. Then it will ask me about the input range. This should be blank. It asks me about input range. On the input range, it simply means highlight the data that you want to do the descriptive statistics on. So here is descriptive statistics of my test scores. So I highlight the test scores from student number 1 to the last student. Then that's descriptive for my descriptive statistics. Then on the output range simply means where do you want the results to be displayed. For me, I want it to be displayed somewhere here. That's where I want the data to be displayed. Then you click on summary statistics. Then you say OK. Then the descriptive statistics appears. And when you look at this descriptive statistics, it's telling me that the count is 39. It means I had 39 participants. The minimum score was 50, maximum was 90, the range 40. So it also shows you about skewness, standard deviation, median, mode, mean. And this is test scores. So instead of column 1, I can just say test scores because I'm looking at the means for the test scores. So this is it. Thank you.